Getting this really bad click, maybe more of a bang. I'm trying to figure it out. Anyone could help me out by maybe tell me what this problem is. It's a really bad clicking. Kind of forcing my car to turn to the right really bad. If I can. I can drive the car for the most part, but I do get a bit of a forcing of a turn. See, right now the click isn't too bad, nothing serious right now. Getting more of a just like a forcing me to turn type of feeling. See, right now it really wants to turn me to the right. See? Let me see. I'll go around this block a little more. Oh. Come on, my friend. Don't want you behind me. Look, immediately my car will turn. Yeah, I get that real bad when I turn to the right. Real bad. It's kind of forcing me to turn to the right now. If I let go, my car will turn. Right now I'm getting a nice smooth, no sounds, but my car does want to turn to the right. Oh man. It feels like someone's trying to turn my wheel right now. Let me see. Oh, it's terrible. None right now. It's pretty quiet. Before I was getting this sound a lot worse. When I was driving forward, I chose the left wheel bearing and the left axle, front axle, but it's still making this sound. Let me see. I gotta do it right here. Oh, you see, it's just my car's ridiculous. Let me see. I'll tell you, like my car will just turn all the way to the right. Right now, it's being a bitch. Nothing when I accelerate. But I immediately will jump to the right very strongly. See? I'm not getting that real serious see right there. I try to turn a little bit too much to the left. Too, I get that real bad, just almost sounds like something's hitting something. Then my wheel has a mind of its own too. It seems like to happen both ways, where if I turn too much one direction, it'll force me to turn to the other. See, right now, it's just picking whatever it wants to do right now. I do get this really loud click, maybe like almost like a bang. Anyone has any ideas?